How to fix highlights not working on Instagram. Let's get started. If your Instagram highlights are not working, this issue can be caused by various factors like app glitches, cache issues, or account settings. The very first thing you want to do is update the app to its latest version. Launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, you will see the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Sometimes older version of the Instagram app may have bugs that prevent features like highlights from working properly. Next, check the internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection may cause your Instagram highlight not to load or function properly. Head towards Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you're connected to. Forget this network, give a fresh restart to your router and rezone it. Likewise, you can switch between network. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Restart your phone. It may resolve temporary glitches in the operating system that might be affecting the app performance. Then check Instagram settings. Make sure that your Instagram settings allow you to create and view highlights. For that, head back, launch your Instagram and navigate to the profile page. Click on three bars given at the top right corner. Different options will appear. Head towards the option of archive, click on it. Now click on the drop down of Stories Archive, then click on three dots, then click on the option of Settings. Now make sure you have enabled for the option of Save Story to Archive. After you check this, you will be good to go. If your account has been flagged or restricted by Instagram, some features like highlights may not work properly. You can check for any restrictions, so hit back, scroll down and hit towards the option of account status. If you have any restrictions, you have to wait until the problem is resolved. If none of these solutions work, what you have to do is you can report to the Instagram support team. For that, you can hit back, then navigate to the option of help, then click on the option of report a problem. Click on the option report problem without shaking. Then click on the option of don't include and continue. Now on this page, you can explain about the issue in detail and send it. By applying these solutions, you'll be able to resolve any issues with Instagram highlights not working. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.